Hey guys, Rich here, eBike Reviews and Adventures. Check it out. We got the Vtuvia E-Cozy, brand new e-trike from Vtuvia. This is their first e-trike, and well, we're gonna jump in and take a quick look at the specs and take it for a ride. Yeah, so let's take a look here. I love the color. I love red on a bike or an e-trike. Check it out. Bam, bam, E-Cozy. All right, guys, we have a 750 watt motor in the back. We got a 15 amp hour battery. We got 20x3 tires. We do have hydraulic brakes. And I believe these were 180 millimeter, yep, 180 millimeter rotors. We have a nice little square looking basket on the front. Nice big headlight that's mounted up high so you can adjust it while you're riding if you need to. No suspension forks, but those forks are working just fine, no problem. This is a folding e-trike, so if you want to fold it up and take it with you, you can do that. Just remember to remove the seat. Back here we have plastic fenders, but they're supported by a metal frame. Big, huge basket in the back. No basket liner or basket bottom, so be careful because you don't want your bananas to fall out and get wound up around the chain there. We have a nice little taillight back here, reflectors on both sides. Moving up here, we have these big old mirrors. I kind of like these big old mirrors. They are adjustable. We got parking brakes left, parking brakes right. We have a button pad. We have blinkers left and right, and a horn. We've got our button pad right here. Nice display. You can kind of see everything there. Let's bump it up to past 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over here we have a 7-speed Shimano shifter, right-handed thumb throttle. No, right-handed twisty throttle right there. And an eject button right there. We'll test that out shortly. All right, guys, look it out. Look it over. Check it out. Guys, all right guys, switching cameras here. Ooh, I need to adjust that seat. I still need to make a couple of adjustments here. That seat is a little crooked, and it loosened up with me a little bit, so it leans a little bit too much to the back. So I just got to make an adjustment there. And also I noticed when I was out again this time, my display isn't quite lined up with the center of the, I need to fix that. I need to do some tweaking with this just a little bit. But you know what? Assembly was nice and easy. Not a whole lot you needed to do to it, which I super like. This was delivered by freight truck, not FedEx. They handled it very well. No damage or anything anywhere, so I appreciate that. So yeah, let's just take this guy out for a ride. So Vtuvia told me that they're gonna change out, look, I have a zip tie here with my keys still on it. Oh, I bumped the horn. Vtuvia told me they're gonna change out the stem on the handlebar, and the first batch is gonna come like this, but future batches will have an adjustable stem. Sitting here on the side of a busy road, that's not a good thing probably. So we are going to change this out and show you in another video real soon how to change out the stem on your Vtuvia. So if you get one that is from the first batch that has this style, just know that you can swap it out very easily and make it an adjustable stem, because when you look at the trike, the handlebars do sit a little bit low, right? And I'm a tall guy, so because I'm a tall guy, oftentimes I have to change out seat posts anyway just to raise them up. But yeah, so here's a cool feature. Well, let's just run through this again. We didn't talk about the eject button over here. This is actually your reverse. So you pump it and it's activated. You hear the indicator. Now you just use the throttle a little bit. Oh, I got my brakes on. Let's take the brakes off. Oh, it's because I'm in 0? Now I'm in pass 1? Hey, I'm still learning the bike. Oh, look at that. Yeah, so you can't do it in 0. That makes sense. You have to be in pass 1, and you can go backwards to parallel park or whatever you need to do. That's really cool. I like that feature. I really like that it's an audible indicator too, to let you know, hey, you bumped the button. Push the button again, it pops out, it shuts off. Now you can go forward again. Nice and simple. You know, you don't have to sit here like some trikes where you have to hold down a button, twist the throttle at the same time, stick your tongue out, rub your ear. You don't have to do any of that stuff in order to make this thing go. I need to make an adjustment to my camera. Yeah, somebody smaller than me was wearing it. The mirrors are nice and tall, so like I mentioned before, you can do some adjustment here, and you got pretty good visibility behind you because they're nice and round. So kind of a cool style, kind of like that. So let's just go on down through here. This thing, if you want it to go fast, okay, we're gonna go ahead and keep it up here like past 5, okay, max performance. We're just gonna use throttle only, and boom, little kick there. And here we're winding on up to the top speed of about, what is it, 20? There we go. We're already at the top speed, 20 miles an hour. So it gets there pretty quick. I'm gonna try the brakes. Let's hit those hard. Yeah, so we can stop pretty quick if we need to. Let's go ahead and bump this back down into pass 1. 1. And we're gonna, oh, I left it in 7th gear, that's okay. There you go, pass 1. Nice and slow and comfortable start, so you can go nice and slow if you want to. This is a torque sensor, so which is kind of cool, so just pedaling nice and easy. It looks like it's giving me almost, right there, 7 miles an hour. But if I wanna put a little effort in the pedal, there's 8, there's 9. So we can go a little faster, there's even 10. I'm gonna hit 11, it looks like. Bump it on up into pass 2. Go a little faster, already up to 13, 14, 15. Pass 3. A little faster. Going on up there, 16, 17. I can put a more effort into the pedal and it's just gonna take off to 20. So pretty cool. I can hit the top speed in pass 3 if I wanted to, but not on throttle. So if you wanna go on throttle, let's see what it does. Oh, it sure is. It's gonna give you top speed on throttle. Oh, I wonder if it does that in pass 1 too. Let's stop. Pass 1, throttle only. Oh yeah. It's gonna give us top speed on throttle even if you're in pass 1. So that's cool. I do prefer that. Because when I want throttle, I want throttle. I don't wanna have to be messing with buttons over here to make it go-go. So yeah, it handles well. See, I can do some wiggles here in the street. I'm doing about 10 miles an hour, so a little dangerous, so be careful with that. But the wheel just came off the ground a little bit. So it's a pretty stable trike. So that part is really cool. The motor's pretty quiet. You don't hear the motor too much unless you're really getting after it. Then you hear it wind up just a little bit, but not bad at all. So I like that. So good performance, good power. And you know what? We already had it through the grass and some other places like that. Good power to take you through the grass, okay? Good power to get up some smaller hills. We don't have big hills. We don't really have hills where I'm living, so I can't really show you on the hills, but based on how it performs in the grass, yeah, I would say it's gonna do pretty good on some small to medium-sized hills. I do wish we had an 8th gear or we had a bigger sprocket, because let's go ahead and bump this on up a little bit. Because when I'm pedaling and we're up here doing, whew, camera's falling down. There's 16. Almost 17. I'm starting to pedal pretty quick. Don't have any ghost pedaling. You can keep up with it because it is a torque sensor. It just feels like it wants another gear. So I wished it had that. But overall, I like the trike. I like it just fine. A lot of trikes we've been getting recently are true fat tire 4-inch. So I'm happy to see that we have a 3-inch tire because it's just a little bit smaller, a little bit lighter. And some people, like Mrs. Adventure, she doesn't like fat tires. And so she's been complaining, saying, when are you gonna get some trikes in that are not fat tires? Voila, the Vtuvia E-Cozy. You don't have those big giant fat tires. 3 inches plenty for a trike. Yeah, I'm digging it. I am digging it. Guys, 14.5-inch or so step through. So they got it really nice and low. They've got really good distance here, okay, between the handlebars and the seat. So if you happen to be a larger person, you can get on here and still have plenty of distance. And even though I am a much taller person and my knees come up close to the handlebars, that's only because my handlebars haven't been raised yet. Remember I mentioned to you they're gonna come out with a different stem so you can raise it up, so it folds up. So the handlebars will actually be quite a bit taller. A lot of traffic. So the handlebars will actually be quite a bit taller, and it'll keep them away from my knees. So as soon as I make that modification, I'm gonna show you that as well. But, oh my gosh, I'm gonna get ran over. Maybe we should get on down the road before I get ran over. So guys, make sure you go out there, check out Vtuvia, because it's a good quality brand, good quality build, I should say. It's everything looks nice. The weld joints are really nice on this. Some weld joints you get on trikes, they're just kind of cruddy looking. Let me show you those up close real quick. Hey, we're gonna stop right here again, in the sunshine. So check it out. Yeah, the welder, if you can see that on camera, kind of knew what he was doing, because what you want to look like is that nice, even little weld as he kind of bumps along with the welder, not big old globs of weld that just kind of, you know, stuck there. Every weld is this way, just really good quality. And that's what I'm saying, it's a good quality build all around. Good quality build, like it, love it. Make sure you go out there, check it out, get one for yourself. Guys, that's going to be it for this video. Be looking for more videos on the Vtuvia, because we're going to bring you some more content with this E-Cozy, because, well, we like that. We like the E-Cozy. In bikes and trikes that we like, we tend to ride more often and bring you more content with. So be looking for that. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you're new here. Comment down below. Follow the link. Check out the E-Cozy. I'll see you in another video real soon. Ride responsibly, ride safe.